This is Josh White with JW Math Tutoring. Do you want access to over 370 self-reported official digital SAT math practice problems? Then go ahead and watch the rest of this video.
But life is a dream the calculus could never predict.
Welcome back to my channel. This video is just an update to show some of the new information that I've added to my official test problem spreadsheet. So if you are not familiar with this, feel free to check out the other video that I did on this originally. You can see the thumbnail on the screen now. If you are familiar with this, I'm just going to highlight some changes, some new exciting things that I've added to this spreadsheet file. So first of all, on the main tab here, the main worksheet, there's a new column with the title of Alt. This basically highlights problems where I made an alternate solution video and included them. So in other words, these are problems where there is an alternate solution video out there and that shows multiple other ways to solve it as compared to the, various methods I showed in the original video. So there's not too many that have it, but you can scroll down. You can see a couple here, from August 2024, then some from October 2024, and then also currently March and May. There are some problems that have alternate solutions in separate videos. All right, so that's the first thing. Second thing, I have added 3 more tabs here, basically 3 more worksheets. These have links to all the various types of videos. So for example, this All Videos New Problems tab. Here you have the year, the month, the worksheet number, and then the link to the video on YouTube. Okay, so you can just click this link directly. It'll take you to the video on YouTube. So you can see it's got everything up through the 2 November videos of new problems. So everything is here in one place. All right, then I also have another worksheet, another tab, with the alternate solutions videos. So these are, basically there's currently 2 main alternate solution videos. There's one that has August and October 2024 problems, both in the same video. Then there's another one that has March and May 2025 problems. You can see the specific problems here, but again, they're also marked with a Y in that column in the spreadsheet as well. Okay. Then lastly, I started a new tab. These are just going to be links to the, basically what I call the repeat problem videos. So this is what I started in October, where it was basically the 3rd worksheet or 3rd video in that series. I just briefly went through and highlighted all the repeat problems that I had covered previously, in a video or sometimes in multiple videos. So if you want links to those, they're here as well. I mean, basically, all of the links in my official test problem playlist on YouTube are listed here on one of these 3 tabs. Either the repeat problems or the alternate solutions or the new problems, listed here. So these are now all in the spreadsheet. Again, there'll be a link to download this as an Excel file in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment. Also, there will be a link to download this whole thing, basically all the worksheets and everything as a PDF file. Again, in the link of the video and, in the description of the video and in the pinned comment as well. As I mentioned, check out the original video if you want, a little bit more background information about how this is set up and the, the repeat column thing here and so on and so forth. But otherwise, last thing I do want to mention, of course, if you're looking to improve your Desmos knowledge, please check out my Ultimate Desmos Guide to Digital SAT Math. It is over 6 hours of tips and tricks and instruction, and at 65 practice problems. It will help you master Desmos to ace the Digital SAT Math section.